Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. So today we're doing a vlog, day in a life as an HBCU Queen. So today's agenda, hold on, let me pull it up, y'all. Breakfast, class, meeting, interview, lunch, class, Lincoln holiday extravaganza, and then another interview. So today is a really packed day, and I'm just gonna take you around my day in my life. So let's go to breakfast first. Okay, y'all, so I usually get the same thing, always fruit, a tater tots biscuit, and an omelet. So, and water, of course. You gotta stay hydrated. So after this, we're gonna go to class, and then that's gonna be it. Okay, y'all, just got done with my breakfast. We're gonna go to my first class. Yo, me and my cousin always yelling across the whole campus, bruh. Always. Look at her.
Good morning.
Hey, one thing about an HBCU, they always gonna have that grass cut, boy. They always gonna have the grass cut. But I just got out of my first class. Now we're about to go to my SGA meeting, which starts at 11. Right now it's 10:44. Yeah, so wait. That's a wait. Let me finish what I gotta say to the vlog, then you can continue talking. Okay, so we just got done with our SGA meeting. It was very productive. We talked about a lot of stuff. We got Otis and Akay.
Yeah.
You gonna give us a discount, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just looking for stuff for the event tonight.
Wait, it's a holiday sale. I mean, no sale.
See some face.
Can I take a picture and send it in the group chat?
A picture of what?
I like the little candy cane one.
Okay, y'all. So now I'm going for an interview. A student wanted to interview me and ask me a few questions about like my culture and stuff. So it shouldn't take long. And then after that, we're gonna try to make it to lunch because right now it's 12:13 and I got class at 1. So we're gonna see if I make it. Probably not gonna be able to eat lunch today. But yeah, see y'all when we get the interview set up. Okay, y'all, so I just got done with the interview. It was really short. I would say it was like about 10 minutes. Now I'm about to get some lunch. It is currently 12:34, so I have about 15 minutes to eat before I go to my next class. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It's really fast, quick. I'm happy about that. Currently going to my next class. It's low-key kind of sprinkling right now. I should have bought my umbrella, and I knew. I checked the weather and I knew, but this is the last class for the day. Okay, y'all, so I just got out of my last class. We went over the last material that we'll be discussing for the final, and then on Thursday we're going to be reviewing for the final. Y'all, ooh, this car gonna hit me? Okay, thought she was about to hit me, y'all. Okay, but basically, yeah, like I said, we went over everything that we're going to be talking about. Well, the last material of the final. And then, y'all, right now, I'm at a good spot. But he gave us an option to take, like, the 50 point, which is, like, just the material that we just talked about, or the 100 point, which is, like, comprehensive, like, over everything. And, y'all, in order for me to get an A in that class, I have to get 100% on the final. So, we're gonna see. I believe I could do it. It's possible. It's not impossible. It's possible. But, y'all, I literally have to get a 100% to get an A in the class. And what it really was on my first test, y'all, I did not do so good, and that's what cost me. But we gonna do it. I gotta do it. It's possible. Next, we have to get ready for the LU Extravaganza. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
So next we gotta get ready for that. Call time is 4 o'clock for that. And then one more interview and then we're done. So see y'all when I get ready for the extravaganza. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently getting dressed, getting ready for the extravaganza. The time right now is 4:41 p.m. and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing a navy blue dress with these heels, and these are my jewelry. I might have changed my jewelry. And then after me and my king give our welcoming, I'm gonna change into this outfit. The pants might change because my advisor might want us to wear something else, but yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And I think I might keep my hair like this, or I might wear it down because of my crown, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys after I get dressed, and I'll show you the location, how everything looks. Okay, y'all, so we just got our script today. We're gonna see how this goes.
I don't practice scripts, man. I just sew up, bro.
Y'all hear him? So if you hear how he sound, we're gonna get him on 4K. Tonight we will kick off the holiday season here at Lincoln University, our first holiday extravaganza. It is our hope that you will hear or experience something that will put a smile on your face.
Do we have
and a joy in your heart.
Do we have like a stand?
We sincerely send to you our heartfelt wishes for a glorious holiday season. If you are here, please wave and to be recognized. We are so pleased that Mayor Carrie Turgeon is with us tonight.
You said Mayor Detergent.
I said Mayor Carrie Turgeon. Oh my gosh, this is long.
I'm gonna do Mr. Lincoln Park.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Woo! At this time, it is my pleasure to bring forward our wonderful president, Dr. John Mosley, to give the official welcome and brief remarks.
Thank you, Tyree Babari. And thank you to Miss Gablin Green and the concert choir for putting us in this holiday spirit with such festive music.
Okay.
Good evening.
Come on.
That's the Jingle Bell Ride.
Y'all, please
Get that tremble off
y'all, please tie her up for American Idol. Like she is that girl.
Come on.
Stripes, say hi to the vlog. Tell us to stop. Yeah, y'all heard him. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna give you a little tour of how the place looks like. Miss Mecca did her thing. You wanna show them how the place looks like?
Yeah.
Okay, follow it.
Christmas, the Todd, can you play that again?
I just showed you around the whole workshop, and now we about to go to the cab. I mean, the quad. About to go. Okay, now we about to go to the quad.
Welcome to the inaugural Lincoln University's Holiday Extravaganza. My name is Tyree Stovall, Mr. LU 2022-2023. This is my Queen of Barbari Navi. Miss LU 2022-2023. And we are your MCs for the evening. Do you feel that the holiday spirit is in the air? Is it a great time to be alive? I want to thank all of you for joining us tonight in what promises to be an exciting evening for children of all ages. Please, let's give a round of applause to the Lincoln University Choir under the direction of Michelle Grambling-Green to start us off.
Tonight we will kick off the holiday season here at Lincoln University with our first holiday extravaganza. It is our hope that you will hear something or experience something that will put a smile on your face and joy inside your heart. We sincerely send to our heartfelt wishes for a glorious holiday. At this time, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our phenomenal president, Dr. John Mosley, and his wife, Dr. Crystal Mosley, and their daughter, Jillian. We also want to recognize any member of the President's Advisory Council who are in attendance. If you are here, please wave to be recognized. We are so pleased that the Mayor, Carrie Turgeon, is with us tonight. Thank you, Mayor. Also, please join me in thanking our wonderful community partner and co-sponsor of this tree lighting, the Boys and Girls Club of Jefferson City. Thank you to Dr. Wade McDaw, CEO of the Boys and Girls Club, of being here. At this time, it is my pleasure to bring forward our wonderful president, Dr. John Mosley, to give the official welcome and bring brief remarks.
Barbari, and thank you to Miss Gigi, or Miss Gambling Green, and the concert choir for putting us in the holiday spirit with your festive music. It is quite an honor.
Now for the moment we all been waiting for, it is time to light the trees. President Mosley, please come back to the podium to lead us in the lighting of the tree.
And so we're going to start a countdown, and because the mayor has arrived and she started at 10, we're going to start at 11, and we're going to count down from 11. Are you with me? What are you looking around for? You know who I'm pointing to. So we're going to start at 11. When we get to 0, we're going to light the tree, and it's going to be right over there, and it's beautiful. Okay, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. We hope it works. Jeremy! 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 All right, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, yeah!
support.
You better come and subscribe with our queen, Babari Nabian.
Yeah. And what year you guys?
Seniors.
Both seniors?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chimes in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. Oh, yeah. I'm not playing. Do it. Do it.
Alright, so you got the poodles here. We are definitely in the Las Vegas of the Holiday Extravaganza 2023. And let's flip this around to the Royal Court. The best reviews we ever had. Yeah, we got money in the cut.
Money Club.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she do hair. I'm gonna redeem myself from earlier. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. What fun on a one-horse open sleigh. That's what we call talent killing, yeah. That's what we call real talent.
Yeah, make his spirits red. What fun it is to ride and sing a blue tiger song tonight. Yeah! Don't show jingle bell, jingle bell,
Hey! Okay, y'all, so you just seen everything that I did for today. It was very busy, productive, but we got it all done. This is the end of the vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.
Subscribe to Babari's channel.
Lamonte's back.
And
Lamonte's back.